You're going to learn how to slay Riff by Mighty Riff, Blue by Nirvana. What's going on? Welcome to Beholden to the Riff, the heaviest bass channel on YouTube. Let's get right into this. We are in drop C tuning. So we got from the low string C, G, C, F. So this is an extra treat that they tune it down so low. And it's a really riffy, really sludgy song. Very cool. Riff number 1, nice and slow. So very cool, kind of sludgy sound. Starts on the open low string, and we're staying on the low string the whole time. So it goes open, 3, hammer up to 5, and then we're going to slide up to the 6th fret. So it goes. We do another slide up to the 6th fret. Doesn't really matter where you slide from, but 5 is okay, 4 is okay. So we go. Okay, so far. Then we go back to the 5th fret and just slide out. And again, it doesn't matter how far you slide out or where you slide out to. It's just creating the kind of the vibe. So it's like. Okay. We repeat that 3 times. And then on the 4th time, we slide up to the 10th fret and back out. So it goes. Okay, here it is, up to full speed. So good. Here's riff number 2, nice and slow. So kind of the same notes. This time, instead of sliding up to the 6th fret, we're going to bend the 5th fret up to the same pitch as that 6th fret. So it's going to go, we want it to, when we bend the 5th fret, we want it to sound like this. So we're going to bend just a little bit. Okay? So the riff starts off open, 3, 5. Then we're doing 2 of those 5th fret bends, then back to a regular 5th fret. So it goes. From there, we go 3rd fret, bend to open. So far. Then we do 2 grace note Hammer-Ons from 3 up to 5. Those sound like this. So all together. The second time he does it, it's a slight variation of the first time, and it's really just one of the bends are different. So he goes. So it's 2 5th fret bends, then we bend it again and release it. So it's gonna, we bend it, they call it a release, but we still keep our fingers pressed down. So it goes. So those 5th fret bends together sound like this. Okay, here it is up to speed. From this point on, it sounds like he starts the riff off with a 3rd fret. So it goes 3 open, 3 5, and all those bends. So it goes. Such a fun riff to play. Before we get into the next riff, I'd just like to take a moment to thank the Beholden to the Riff Patreon community. Your support means the world and makes all these lessons and all these tabs happen. Thank you so much. Here's riff number 3, nice and slow. All right, still on the low string. Goes 3 5 5 5 3. 3 3 5 5 5 3 6. So 3 5 5 5 3 3 3 5 5 5 3 6. We do that 4 times, and on the last time, we go up to the 7th fret for 2 measures. So it sounds like this. Here it is, up to speed. So good. Here is riff number 4. This is the outro. Okay, so it's another variation. Open 3 5, 2 5th fret bends, and then we play a 5th fret and we cut the note off, so it goes. All right, and on the last one, we just slide out. To get the most out of this lesson, you can download the tab. There's a link below, and you can check out the Patreon page where there's a custom tone patch for the song. There's a full playthrough synced along with the tabs and the song and all kinds of cool stuff for you. Check it out.